Hello class, my name is Jacqueline Sanchez. I am going to do lab 1 for Bio 230. Today's date is November 14th. And my experiment is called an overview of the body. We're going to discuss basically four parts. The first part would be, how would you differ anatomy from physiology? Anatomy would be the study of structures within the body. Physiology would be the studies of chemistry and physics structure within the body. Part 2 would be describe the anatomical position. Today's example is going to be Fred. He's my friend. He's basically standing straight forward. So that would be like the anatomical position of someone standing straight forward. You just always have to make sure the palms are out. That would be the anatomical position. As far as the part 3 for the anatomical directional, it would be anterior, which is like the front, posterior, inferior, which is like the front of the body. Lateral would be like the tummy region. Proximal would be like the arms, the shoulders, and the thighs. And then distal would be the palms and the toes. And superficial would be basically bones and skin. Fred doesn't have skin, so we're going to use my skin as an example. The anatomical regions are basically split up in two. So it would basically be front, which is like anterior view, which is the front of a patient from head to toe. It would be frontal, would be like the front of the head. The front of the forehead, yeah, so that would be it. Cranium would be like this region right here. Faces would be like the face. Then there would be ordius. I can't pronounce it. It's basically the mouth. And then we would talk about the palms, which would be the hands. Posterior would be basically the back of a patient. Upper limbs, lower limbs. And then we're gonna look at the symphatic, I can't pronounce it, which is like the head region. And then the cervical would be like the neck. That would be like the neck region right here. Why are all these terms important, you ask? When providing patient care and you have someone coming to you describing pain or discomfort, you need to know how to approach them. You need to know if, what area you're going into, what would be the best treatment for the patient. For anyone going into the medical field, all these terms are essential in regards to knowing how to identify proper patient care. So with that being said, I would like to thank you all for your time. Wishing you all a blessed academic school year. Thank you all for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.